मूवमेंट का है, इसमें मुझे लग रहा है कि म्यूजिक डिपार्टमेंट कैन एंजॉय सो मच बाय गेटिंग इन द नेशनल मूवमेंट, द गांधी भजन्स और द वंदे मातरम बैकग्राउंड. इट्स गोइंग टू बी ब्यूटीफुल द वे यू डू योर स्टेज प्रेजेंटेशन. उसी तरह से होने वाला है. So now the music department and the theater department get in the roles to develop the students to go through the dialogues, and the music department selects the music to put it to the background. क्योंकि म्यूजिक डालते ही ये बहुत स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा.
Okay, so now this editing is done from my part. How to put it in the presentation and to convert it in the video, that for this I hand over the presentation to Nilima ma'am.
Thank you, Anisha ma'am.
Thank you,
All
sir.
the best. I know you're not keeping well, but all
Yes,
the
sir.
best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anisha ma'am. So I would now again like to share my screen and show you how we can insert these edited audios onto the PPT. I hope the screen is visible. So as Anisha ma'am has already done the editing of slide 10 dialogues. So here I have the slide 10. I'm going to show you how to insert the audio clippings here. So for that, I'm going to choose the insert tab. And then from the last media group, I'm going to choose audio option. In audio option, you can see two options are appearing, audio on my PC and record audio. Since we have already got the recordings done, we are not going to choose the second option, record audio. We are simply going to choose the first one, audio on my PC. So I'm going to choose the location now where my dialogue is, where the audio clippings are saved. So it is in the slide 10 folder. And here we have slide 10 final, the finally edited and merged audio. So I'm going to choose this and click on insert. As soon as I click on insert, you will be able to see a speaker icon appearing here. And also a playback tab will appear at the top. So I'll choose this playback tab, and from here, you will see in the audio options, in the start, I have the options of, I have three options: in click sequence, automatically, and when clicked on. Now I want this dialogue to start automatically when this slide appears. So I will choose automatically, and I will also use this, check this checkbox, hide during show, so that this icon is not visible when the video is being played. And I can also set the volume from here. So for the dialogue, I will keep the volume as high. I'm going to play this and show you how it will be audible.
It's time to sleep.
Oh no.
Okay, if you so insist, universe comprises of many heavenly bodies like the sun, planets, stars, satellites.
I'm going to repeat the steps now. I'll insert the audio for slide 9 as well. So I will again choose the insert tab. From the insert tab, media group, from the audio, I will choose audio on my PC and select the folder slide 9. From here, I will choose slide 9 finally edited audio and click on insert. Again, the speaker icon is appearing. So I select the playback tab from here, and in the audio options from the start, I'll choose automatically. I will also check this box hide during show so that this icon is not visible. Set the volume if you want to. So I will keep it as high only. And let me play now from slide 9.
But Dadaji, can I hear a story from you about the stars, planets, and all the heavenly bodies before I sleep?
It's time to sleep.
Oh no.
Okay, if you so insist, universe comprises of many heavenly bodies like the sun, planets, stars, satellites.
So this is how you can insert audio clippings, audios, finally edited audios on all the slides. Now we assume here also that you have already set the transition effects on all the slides. Now it is always better to use a background music throughout the novel. So we are going to, I'm going to show you now next how to insert the background music. It can be played across all the slides. For using the background music, I would suggest here that please you can download the copyright free audios which will be available on the websites, a few names of the websites from where you can get the copyright free audios will be shared in the chat window. So it is always suggestive to use those audios. So I'm going to share with you now how to insert the background music. Again, on slide 1, I'm going to insert the background music. I go to the insert tab once more. In the media group, from audio options, I choose audio on my PC. I'll select slide 1 where my audio is also already saved. I select this and click on insert. Again, the speaker icon is appearing. And from the playback tab, now you can see here, the audio styles option group is appearing. So we have two options here, play in background and no style. So since I'm going to run it in the the background, I'm going to choose this option, play in background. So once I choose this from audio options, I'll choose start. And again, I will select automatically. This already, once you select play in background, these options already automatically get selected. Hide during show, you can see the checkbox, it gets automatically checked. And then you have play across slides, since I want to play the same background music across all the slides, and loop until stopped. That means the same audio will be looped, will continue being played on all the slides. Now volume for the background music, I would suggest to keep it either on low or medium. So I choose it as medium. And now I will play it from the beginning.
But Dadaji, can I hear a story from you about the stars, planets, and all the heavenly bodies before I sleep?
It's time to sleep.
Oh no.
Okay, if you so insist, universe comprises of many heavenly bodies like the sun, planets, stars, satellites.
So this is how the background music will be played across all the slides along with the dialogues. So any questions still here, or shall I proceed to the next step?
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम.
Yes, sir.
मैं ऋषि कुमार शर्मा
sir.
देवी जनरल स्कूल से.
Yes, sir.
मैं ये जानना चाह रहा था, जो बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक है आपका,
Yes, sir.
ये हम कुछ स्लाइड के लिए डिफरेंट, कुछ के लिए डिफरेंट कर सकते हैं क्या हम?
सर हम कर सकते हैं, लेकिन फिर हमें उसके लिए ऑप्शंस अलग रखने पड़ेंगे. दैट मीन्स अगर हमने यहाँ इंसर्ट टैब में एक पर्टिकुलर ऑडियो को सिलेक्ट करके उसको प्लेबैक में चूज किया है और यहाँ पे लूप किया है, तो वो हमें नहीं करना होगा. हमें अलग अलग स्लाइड पे फिर अलग अलग ऑडियोज इंसर्ट करने पड़ेंगे.
जी, ओके, थैंक यू.
और व्हाट यू कैन डू इज आप उनको, हाँ जी, हाँ, इट इज पॉसिबल.
Ma'am, can I ask you one thing? Like,
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the first step you said like you have to convert PDF into PPT. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, my PDF contains like each page will be converted into a single slide. As far as I can understand.
Yes, ma'am.
My only question is on my one slide, like on my one page of the PDF, there are 6 blocks. Okay, and it will be converted into PPT. So there will be 6 blocks on the PPT. One slide.
Ma'am, we can adjust it according to our wish. Means you can put those blocks on different slides if you want to make it more clear.
But I think so. We now we need to redo our work actually for this though. because we have already done 6 blocks on a single page. Now, when each page will be converted into PPT, then each slide will be containing 6 blocks, and that will be too congested actually.
I think, ma'am, if there are 6 blocks in one slide, then of course the dialogues will also be done accordingly.
Yes, they will be merged according to the slide, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Actually-
As per the block. As per the block.
And sir, as per the blog that we have the topic like nationalism in India, so we need the sound like that, and we have the group of the people, so many group of the people, because the topic is like that only. We have not just fixed
See,
on.
I have understood your point.
Yes.
You do this task only if you're enjoying it. Right? If you think it's a task, you may not want to do it. तो आपको इसमें मजा आ रहा है, चैलेंज लग रहा है, बच्चों का टीम आपके पास में है, काम डेलीगेट कर पा रहे हैं, you think you're growing in that, you're enjoying yourself, तो करेगा, वरना मत.
Sir, that is fine, but I'm just trying if it is possible, because my topic is very different topic, that is nationalism in India. We need the group of the people, group of the students to right now. So I will try.
आपके characters,
Yes.
आपका कौन सा स्कूल है मैम?
Mahavir Public School.
So I've seen the graphic novel, not a difficult task. आपके dialogues टीचर का है, बच्चों का है, गांधी
Yes.
का है या मॉब है? मॉब है तो
Yes.
4 बच्चों की आवाज एक साथ ले लीजिए, खत्म.
Okay, we'll
I
try.
don't see the difficult task that way, है ना?
Yeah.
Sir, I have a solution for the problem which ma'am was saying.
Sure.
When you are converting your PDF into PPT and you have too many blocks on the same slide, so you can duplicate that slide and you can crop the image by keeping half the dialogues on one slide and the next half on the next coming.
Yes, thank you.
Another slide.
That is
So
what
it's
I
up to
also
you
said.
how you want to arrange it. It's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
very tough work to do.
Yeah, that is
So-
what I also said initially, that we'll have to set the blocks in a manner, means on a different slide we can place our blocks.
Absolutely.
No, that is the solution. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Sandeep sir, I think we can create two things. One is the simple comic book, which can be converted as a hard copy also, and children, they can read it. And one thing we can do as a audio visual one, in which we can create this PPT and individual that block on one slide. So in that way we need to do, I think.
I got your point. तो एक तो आपकी जैसे ग्राफिक नॉवल वो आप उसको शेयर कर लोगे, that is taken care of. The जैसे ही हमने पहला जो खत्म किया वो ग्राफिक नॉवल का खत्म किया. स्लाइड्स की बात कर रहे हैं, साउंड की बात कर रहे हैं, you're absolutely right. It can be more number of slides in that, because one block को लेके आप डायलॉग चलेंगे. पूरे पेज को अगर आपने एक ही में डायलॉग में करा तो बहुत मुश्किल होगा और उसका क्लोजअप भी नजर नहीं आएगा. डेफिनेटली वो आपका पीपीटी फॉर्मेट नहीं चलेगा.
Yes, because it is easy, sir, in the PPT format, and the audio is easy. If we
Absolutely.
convert
Do it
into
in
the
the PPT
blocks,
format.
it's getting
Yes.
tough. Yeah.
The audience will lose interest.
Yes.
Sir, I would like to add, Sandeep sir.
Just a minute. अगर आपको मान लो एक पेज पे 6 ब्लॉक हैं, एक का ही डायलॉग कर रहे हो, तो बाकी 5 ब्लॉक्स तो खाली जा रहे उस समय, ऑडियंस को इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं होगा देखने के लिए. तो द पॉइंट इज कि अगर एक कह रहे हैं उसका एक का पीपीटी बनेगा तो उसमें ऑडियंस विल बी इंटरेस्टेड, बिकॉज़ देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ. आई थिंक यू कैन ट्राई इट आउट एंड देन देयर इज नो हार्म इफ यू कम आउट विद अ बेटर सॉल्यूशन. अब बोलिए सर. सॉरी
Sir, actually क्या है कि जो हम we have created this, all these, things on the PPT only.
हाँ जी.
And after the creation on the PPT, we have converted into, Word file or PDF
हाँ
file
जी,
and
हाँ
whatever
जी,
the
हाँ
things we have done it.
हाँ.
So where we have to redo it. Already it is, present with us in the PPT
already
format.
है, आपके पास है, राइट? वो आपके पास ऑलरेडी है.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, we do in the PPT format only the audio and video. That's it.
Yes.
And
yes,
we are
yes.
just make it separate the blocks that we are converting into the Word or a publisher. We have to be that separate part is different for the
Yeah.
printing, and the audio and
Exactly.
video part is different.
Yes,
Altogether
ma'am, definitely.
Good afternoon, sir. I have a query. This is Rashi from KL International. Sir, I just want to know that we have to speak out only those dialogues which we have inscribed in it. I mean, there is some clapping word, so we can insert the clapping sound also.
Yeah, वो पूरा आपका sound is the proper filmmaking course you are doing right now. क्लैपिंग
And
साउंड है वो
right,
आपकी
sir.
इच्छा है अगर गाड़ी में दिखाया है आवाज डाल दीजिए ऐसे all there is no end to it. It is the for you and the growing element for you. कईयों को ये काम आता है कईयों को नहीं आता है वो शायद सीख लेंगे but I'm sure that you're going to grow from that, not to worry.
Sir, and the expressions also can be added. Suppose it's not given in the dialogue, can be expressed.
तो आपका मैम वर्बल आएगा ना जैसे अभी आपका जो टोन होगा अगर वो
Right.
नाराज है तो वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन आएगा इसलिए हमने कहा था कि जो आपके जो स्कूल की टीचर्स हैं जो एनुअल डे फंक्शन कराती हैं वो अभी काम में आएंगे इसके अंदर बिकॉज वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन आएगा एक्सप्रेशन इज गोइंग टू कम इन मॉड्यूलेशन मतलब कि
Okay,
अगर
sir.
कोई प्यार से बोल रहा है गुस्से से बोल रहा है you know expression आना ही पड़ेगा. The children are not reading out the text, please keep that in mind. वो पढ़ नहीं रहे हैं, वो इसको enact कर रहे हैं. Expression तो आएगा और उस expression को लाने के लिए शुरू में भी मैंने कहा था एक आध word बढ़ सकता है, बढ़ा दीजिएगा. Don't bother कि स्क्रिप्ट में था ही नहीं, पर बोलते बोलते कुछ ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ और word जुड़ रहा है, जोड़ लीजिए, जोड़ लीजिए.
Just like a drama, sir. Just like a
Yeah,
drama.
just like a drama. So do not get reading of the script. It is enactment of the script, right? Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Jaya from Tagore International School.
Yes. Sir.
Just tell me one thing, sir. What is the final output format you wanted? You wanted MP4 or you wanted the PPT file? Because I was thinking of doing in Premiere.
So you do one. Let your principal just communicate to me because I'm asking the Diksha people right now what ultimate that they, they also have not seen what we are doing. So we'll ask them because it's friendly for them to upload. Hai na? So I'll ask them to share it well, not to worry.
Okay, sir.
May I continue, sir?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now the final step is to convert the PPT into a video. So for that, I'm going to click on this file tab. And from here, I'm going to choose the option export. Once I choose this option, you have the option of create a video available here. I choose this. I don't have to do any settings here. I simply click on create video. I'm going to choose the location and the name of the video that I want to keep. So I want to keep it here. And now I click on save. Now you can see in the status bar, the progress bar being shown, the PPT is being converted into a video. So it is going to take time depending on the number of slides and the size of the audios you have inserted on the slides. So it's going to take time. So this is how a simple PPT can be converted into a video. So I'm going to share with you again how it is going to be once it is converted into the video.
Yes, and ma'am, this has come slide by slide, and maximum I think there is a 10 minutes duration, no?
The knowledge
To converting the
revolves
10 to
around
15 minutes, not
Yes,
more than.
ma'am.
Yes,
more
yes.
inquisitive.
Ma'am, that depends again, as I said, the number of slides there
Yeah.
are, and as well as the file size of the audios.
Yes, but the I saw in the PP there is a conversion time that is it's convert only 15 minutes, not more than 15.
No,
It's
that-
loaded and it's
Yeah, so that depends on the number of slides, ma'am.
Child who is greatly interested to know more about the solar system, the stars, and planets. He keeps asking his grandfather various questions about the space but is never satisfied. One night, in his dream, he sees a big cloud which promises Samir that he can take him to the ride of the universe.
It's time to sleep, my child. Give rest to your body and be rejuvenated for tomorrow.
I don't want to sleep. I want to have fun, go out and play in the garden. But Dadaji, can I hear a story from you about the stars, planets, and all the heavenly bodies before I sleep?
It's time to sleep.
Oh no.
Okay, if you so insist, universe comprises of many heavenly bodies like the sun, planets, stars, satellites.
Samir sees a big cloud in his dream.
I can't believe this. Who sent you here? Why have you come to my house?
Well, I just heard your grandfather talking to you about the solar system. If you want, I can take you to a ride of the universe.
That is what we talk about an expression.
But won't I
तो
feel
टोन आ रहा
scared?
है, वो act हो रहा है, पढ़ा नहीं जा रहा है. You're not reading it out, right?
So that is all. Still, if you have any questions, the session is open for the questions.
Sandeep sir, can I come in?
Sure.
Yeah, sir, I'm Reena Jha from DPS Bhopal. So initially, when this lockdown and online classes concept came in, so we had made some videos for the parents and the students, teaching them about how to go in with the Google Zoom setups and Meet setups, and how to come up with Google Classroom, like the whole induction thing. We had made a PPT for them, and that PPT was converted into a video format.
Good.
So again, we had actually worked on PPT and then converted into video. So while doing that, we had set up the animation effects. As in when the content was coming up, that was read out. So can we have something similar to that?
You
Like
can share that with me, and I can
Okay.
just have a look at it and understand that. But just
Yeah.
keep in mind, जैसे आपने word बोला ना, read out. यहाँ पे read
Right.
out नहीं, यहाँ पे enactment है ना?
नहीं,
तो
yeah, I mean, see,
और already
there was
characters हमारे मौजूद हैं, तो
हाँ.
animation की हमको जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, because not we having, हमें content matter ज्यादा नहीं, हमारा तो actually content को already dramatize करके, photograph करके, artwork करके तैयार है. Comic book तो तैयार है ही है, तो
No,
comic
I
book. हाँ, बोलिए.
yeah, I mean to say, like, there was one slide with there was 2 frames in it. So like
Uh-huh.
both the frames were coming up at the same time. What
Right.
if I set the pace? Let the first
मैम
frame come,
आपकी
let
जो
the dialogue
ग्राफिक
come.
नॉवल है आपके स्कूल
हाँ,
की,
हाँ.
उस पे मुझे 1-2 पेज सेट करके दिखा दीजिएगा, not to worry.
ठीक, ठीक. Because that will set the excitement, because everything, if
Fair
it is
enough,
coming up
fair
at the
enough,
same time on the screen, the
fair
student
enough.
will get confused. So let it come one by one.
Sure.
That's what I
आप
meant.
कर लीजिए, then we'll share it with everyone once we
Okay.
approve.
Okay. Thank you.
Sandeep sir, I think in that case, background sounds cannot be screened. So that time, because the software you are
Got it, समझ गया,
that, yeah,
समझ
yes,
गया.
sir.
So we'll work it out. We'll ask the school to check it out कि background sound music आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है.